Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. Please check out the additional video of this Pleasureway in action in the video description below. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a 2003 Pleasureway XL TD with 76,602 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2003 Pleasureway XL TD. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'll do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We'll go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. This particular unit, my wife and I took to Marblehead, Ohio, to the lighthouse and to check out Lakeside Marblehead and all the fun stuff that Lake Erie has to offer. We've decided to name this one Sugar Plum after a really cute little light keeper at the Marblehead Lighthouse. Check out the video for this one in the video description. Also, I'll drop a link here on the screen. So let's get going on Sugar Plum here. Got about 74 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach, about 73 inches here if you're standing on the carpet. It's got that mix of hard surface and carpet flooring. Got our fantastic fan in the center of the coach. This runs on DC power, so our coach battery. Use that like an attic fan or exhaust fan. Got a TV antenna crank. You do not want to drive around with that TV antenna up. Got our air conditioner here. This runs on AC power, so your shore power plug-in or the generator. Got the knobs that control that right on the front of the unit itself. Got a table mount in the rear, and we've also got a table mount up in the front here underneath this little plug. Nice, easily accessible entryway. Got a handle here to help you get up and in. Fire extinguisher. Got some light switches. This window does open, but it does not have a screen. Privacy curtain that pulls all the way around this track here in the front. A little stash spot here. Got our levels test here. The gray, black, and freshwater tank are notoriously finicky, so don't always trust those. Got a coach battery tester there as well. Water pump on-off switch. This pumps the water out of the onboard freshwater tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Got our generator start-stop switch. This has 1,314 hours. Has a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified owned and techs. Got our water heater on-off. This runs on propane gas. This ignites itself. We've got a noxious gas detector. A little more storage room up here. Aluminum backsplash, 2-burner propane cooktop. Got a window with a screen here. Got a single basin sink. It's our water pump there. It's a winterization kit. A little tube you see there. Got AC power on the front of the cabinet. Got a 3-way fridge freezer. This is a 3-way, meaning it runs on AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator. DC, meaning the coach battery or propane gas. We got instructions in the bottom of the box. Some electrical connections. This is our propane furnace. Control this with the thermostat right here on the wall. That burns propane to make the heat. Uses the coach battery to operate the fan. Back around to the driver's side. Got a microwave that runs on AC power, so our shore power plug-in or our generator. And a nice big closet here. You can hang your stuff. Got 2 table legs and 2 tables. Nice, easily accessible restroom area. Got AC power on the wall. Got 3 drawers. Storage beneath the sink. A little bit of discoloration there. We do have a window that opens with a screen, and we've got a curtain. Nice, easily accessible entry here. Everything's going to drain right into the floor there. A towel bar, curtain you can pull around you. A little storage space. The two rear windows do not open. Got a curtain for privacy. Got a screen portion on the lower here, curtain for privacy. And we've got a screen portion over here with a curtain for privacy. Essentially in this TD, we've got these permanent twin sleepers. These are very popular, makes it easy to get in and out of bed without crawling over one another if you have to use the bathroom at night. Got the little nightstand here, got two drawers and access for the rear storage beneath this. You can also access that through the rear doors. So we got the two twin beds here. You can also take the boards beneath this cushion, drop the nightstand on the floor, and span this gap here. Use these cushions to make up the big bed. We're going to drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements. The twin beds measure approximately 29 inches wide and 72 inches long on the driver's side, and just a little shorter at 70 inches long on the passenger side. The big bed measures approximately 70 to 72 inches north-south or front to back, and 81 inches east-west or side to side. The rear backrest cushions are different than the bottom cushions. Here in the back along the floor, we've got a noxious gas detector. Got two nice drawers. Got AC power. Got our fuse panel that has our AC breakers and our DC fuses. Got access to the rear storage area, and we've got our water heater. Here we are sitting in the rear of the Pleasure Way. How do lighthouse keepers communicate? Shine language. Got speakers in the rear. There's one on the other side as well. Those are connected to the front head unit. So whatever the driver and passenger are listening to, you'll hear through those speakers. Got a TV booster button there. Got some space behind the TV. This is an inverter. It's inverting your DC coach battery power to AC, so you can watch this TV off the coach batteries. Got a little stash spot there. Front two seats do swivel. However, the passenger seat's going to get a lot better position due to the steering wheel and the cabinet behind the driver's seat. You can watch TV from the front if you'd like. Storage pockets in the back of the seats. Got a little bit of space there too. Got our manuals there. So all in all, Sugar Plum here is a nice little Pleasure Way. Very good condition for a 2003. Not a whole lot of blemishes that are jumping out at me. Some small little dings here and there as you'd expect on a coach of this age, but I'd say it's in very, very nice condition for a 2003. It's gone through a full inspection process. We'll go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. I'm gonna call this an 8.5. Could call it a 9, depending on how you'd like to rate that. We'll call it an 8.5. Check this out at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD, and cassette player. Got nice clean upholstery. Got a little glove box. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of burns, smells, no tears, or weird stains. Cigarette lighter's unused, so while it's tough to say for certain, I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2003 Pleasure Way XL TD, nicknamed Sugar Plum. This RV measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The tires have 2221 date codes. This Pleasure Way is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4-liter V8 engine with 76,602 miles. Got the back of the refrigerator. We've got a porch light. Got a MaxxAir fan vent cover here that goes over the fantastic fan, so you can have that open while it's raining or while you're driving. We've got a single coach battery here. We've got actual alloy rims on this unit. Got our furnace exhaust. Got a pretty nice looking exterior for 2003. A nice storage compartment. Got two AC plug-ins so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Coming around to the back of the coach, we've got our air conditioner up top. Got a tow package. Got little air chucks here. Those are to inflate, deflate, or check the pressure on the rear airbag suspension. We've got some storage area here you can access from the inside of the coach. Coming around now to the driver's side. Got a storage compartment, our hose, power cord, and some sewer gloves. Got a sewer hose storage here. Got our fresh water fill for the onboard fresh water tank, back of the water heater. A closer look at the stripes. A little bit of fading here, but all in all, very good looking, I'd say, especially for 2003. A couple little nicks up top. Nothing you're gonna notice when the RV's driving by. Got an outside shower, it's nice for kids, pets, going to the beach. We've got our sewer dumps here. We've got one of our drains here. This is our black. We've got our gray over here. You'll pull the black first, then the gray. We've got a coax in for TV. We've got our city water in, shore power. This is our propane tank. This is mounted to the unit. Here's a gauge for that, valve to turn that on and off. We've got our Onan generator here. This is a 2800. Here's the exhaust for that. Has a fresh service, fresh oil change. That runs off the fuel tank. Will stop running around a quarter tank so you cannot strand yourself. We've got our fuel fill here for the engine. And then the generator runs off of that tank as well. Nice looking pleasure way here. Sugar Plum is ready for new adventures.